So hello guys, I'm Shorodip Biswas. So as you can see, this is a Crompton Grips high speed blade set. So let's do the unboxing of a blade set. Today no fans, only a blade set. So I bought this blade set from Crompton Grips Service Center for my Crompton Grips box logo HS, because that blades are little bit distorted. That's why I will use this blade set. This blade set cost me around 460 rupees with GST. So let's see what's inside. So I've opened the seal. So as you can see, this is the blade set. There is nothing else here. The manufacturer's address and box contents. This is the description regarding contents, and same this side. So let's so as you are seeing now, here is a set of blade and with a this cardboard wrapping in the shanks. So let's remove this. So now as you can see, remove the girder from the packaging. So let's bring out the blades. So as you can see, this is a brown set. Since my HS is brown, that's why. So this is the blade. There is a little bit fingerprint on the blade because I just checked it in the service center whether there is any fluffed up paint or whatever might be. So always check your contents wherever you will buy. So as you can see, these are the blades. It's very good quality blade. So let me show you the angle. So as you can see, these are the blade angles. So there is a good blade angle with this. So let's put it in my HS. So let me show you my HS. So as you can see, this is my HS. So this is my box logo HS. As you can see, the paint of the rivets went off because these blade sets have a kit sound very much, because the rivets were a little bit loose, I think so, from the beginning. So I hammered the rivets, and after that the sound went off, but the blades are a little bit distorted. If I zoom the camera, you can see here. Let me zoom in first. So as you can see here, the blade sets are little bit distorted in the tips. As you can see, you can clearly see that the blade tips are little bit distorted towards the downside. So, and regarding this blade also, if you zoom it here, so as you can see, if you carefully see the blade, you can see the blade is slightly distorted from the middle. Means the blade is slightly lower from this side and it's bulging upwards in the middle. So this is the distortion, and the angles are pretty less in this box logo fans. So let me just replace the blade set. First let me show you the speed with the original blade set. So let's start the fan. As you can see, this is the original, means this is the speed with this blade set. The airflow is decent, but it is not up to the original mark. So let's replace the blade sets and let me see what's the performance. So now I have replaced the blades, and these were the old blades. As you can see, these are the old blades. So let's start the fan. Let's see the performance. Now the airflow is airflow is increased, but the top speed of the fan is reduced. Previously it was running with the distorted blade is 390 rpm. Now this fan is running around 370 rpm. So this is the perfect rpm for a Crompton Grips high speed ceiling fan. So the fan is giving pretty heavy airflow, as you can hear in the camera also. So I think if your Crompton Grips or any fan gets a blade distort, then you may replace the blade sets and buy a spare blade from a service center, and don't buy blades from the scrap market. Always try to buy blade set from the service center, so that you, and always check the blades for any kind of premature wear or any distortion or EE, and make sure it's an unused piece. So this is the Crompton Grips blade set review on the spare blade of Crompton Grips high speed. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to press the like button, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have any queries, please comment it down. Thank you guys for watching.